Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Khan Academy for student learning, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Khan Academy website at www.khanacademy.org. Click on the sign up button if you're new to the platform. If you already have an account, click on log in to access your resources. Once logged in, explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the layout. Notice the subjects listed on the left side of the screen. Select a subject that you're interested in mastering or improving. Once you choose a subject, you'll see a variety of topics available. Click on a specific topic to dive deeper into the lessons. Watch the introductory video to understand the key concepts. Take notes as you watch to reinforce your learning. After the video, you'll find practice exercises related to the lesson. Complete these exercises to test your understanding. If you struggle with a question, revisit the video for clarification. Use the hints provided if you need additional support. Track your progress through the completion metrics on your dashboard. Set goals for yourself to stay motivated and engaged. Explore the watch section for curated playlists and recommendations. Use the practice feature to reinforce skills with additional exercises. Consider joining a class or inviting friends to motivate each other. Utilize the mobile app to learn on the go and stay connected. Regularly revisit concepts for better retention and mastery. Make use of the resources available, including articles and simulations. Engage with the community by participating in discussions. Remember to update your profile settings to customize your learning experience. Khan Academy is designed to support your learning journey effectively. Take full advantage of the platform's diverse resources and features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.